In this video, we will discuss how to use your graphing calculator to solve a system of nonlinear equations. As you can tell, both of these equations here are no longer linear equations, and so the work that we do in order to find the solution to the system requires a little bit more effort. Now, this system in particular would be quite difficult, if not impossible, to solve by hand. That is why we use some form of technology in order to be able to solve it. So to start, we're going to graph each individual equation in our graphing calculator. So negative x squared plus 4 for the first equation, and then 4 times 2 to the x minus 1, and then minus 3 at the end. Now as we graph this, what we'll notice is that you have an upside down parabola and you have an exponential equation that passes through it. Key thing to note is that there are two solutions to this system. These graphs intersect twice. So the work that we have to do that's different now is just we have to find our intersection twice. So we go to second and calculate, down to number 5, which is how you find your intersection point. It's going to ask you what your first curve is, and you can see up top it's telling you that that's negative x squared plus 4. Sounds good. Hit enter. Second equation is the other one. Yep, that's what we want, so we hit enter. Now you see your cursor, which is sitting right here in the middle. In order to find this left intersection point, I need to move that cursor over to the left. And now when I hit enter, it will automatically find the one that is closer. So my first intersection point is at negative 2.582, and then the y value is negative 2.666. And then you have to repeat the same process to find your second intersection point. And so you go back to second, calculate, down number 5, hit enter for the first curve, and hit enter for the second curve again. And then now you got to take that cursor and move it all the way over by hitting the right arrow in this scenario over to towards the other intersection point, and you hit enter again. And that will find you your second intersection point, which is at 1.363, comma 2.143. And that would be your second intersection point. And so it's pretty simple. It's just like if you had a linear set of equations on your graphing calculator, but you just have to do the intersect option for your second calculate. I have to do it twice. You just move your cursor over to the intersection that you want to look for, and the graphing calculator should automatically find it. And that's all there is to it.